winds up on the wheel, and it goes through a pulley, which lifts on the first class lever, which drops a marble through a funnel, down a decline plane, which hits a third class lever, which pulls on the string that goes through a pulley, which lifts up a pin that rolls down a decline plane into a first class lever, which pulls a string that goes up to a pulley, which lifts a second class lever, making the ball drop and the flag raise.
Okay. Yay!
Ours starts by the wire touching the motor, and it goes around the pulley, making a straight shot down. And then the marble is released and goes down the decline plane and up the incline plane into the cup, which pulls the first class lever up and the other first class lever down, which pulls the needle up and pops the balloon, making a wedge, and the weight falls, and the pulley pulls the flag up.
Yay!
Alright, we're going to drop the marble down the decline plane. It's going to go through the screw, hit this first class lever, pop the balloon, which will make this weight go down, and it'll pull that's held on by the pulley, and the pin will come up, and there's a marble. It's going to roll down the decline plane through this other screw into this cup, which is held on by a pulley, and then raise the flag.
Yay!
Okay, we're gonna pour marbles into this wedge, and it's gonna knock over the first class lever, which is gonna pull the pin out of the decline plane, and a marble is gonna roll down and hit this first class lever, which is gonna knock over that marble down that decline plane, and that's gonna hit that first class lever, and that's gonna knock over the dominoes, knocking our last domino into the funnel, and it's gonna pull up that block, and the car is gonna go down, raising the flag.
Woo! Yay!
Hello, this is Lab Station 3's period 4. This is awesomest Rube Goldberg machine ever. We start off by pouring. Thank you. We start by pouring marbles down this wedge into the can of science, which falls down, which then, in turn, pulls the pulley system, which raises this first class lever, and pulls this pin out of the declining plane, which marbles roll down and hit this lever, which then in turn, this first class lever, if I may add, then bump this car, which then this car of science rolls down this declining plane of science, which our metal detector of science senses, turns that off, the electromagnet off, which then makes this car roll down this declining plane of science and knocks into these dominoes of science, which in turn, after they all fall down, hit this battery, fall down into the can. The pulley system pulls the flag up, raising the flag. Let us try this.
Oh, you're wrong. Ooh, don't pour them.
Yes! No! Oh my god!
Jeff.
Hold on, wait. Oh, okay, no. That was terrible.
And you're standing right in the way of the flag.
Oh.
And it didn't go.
Oh, gosh.
Let's get the reaction shot. Come on, Jeff. Tell us how you really feel.
No, I hate this. Ah!